Hello there. It is Friday, September 25th, and this is the recap of our day. This morning we started with a morning meeting. During our morning meeting, we also announced who our new leader of the week is, which is Miles. Congratulations. He is so incredibly proactive and engaged in all of his learning. And on top of that, he's received so many shout outs for being such a great friend and a good person. And so we're very proud that he is our leader of the week for this week coming up. We had from 8 to 9 STEM lab with Miss Gatson. After they came back from Miss Gatson, we did a little bit of practice in Florida Ready, going over conventions with prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. I then had them complete a learning check through a Google form, strictly just for my own information to know whether or not I need to reteach or go over any of the material again next week. We then had Author's Chair, which was a time to celebrate writing, and students got to share a lot of their writing, and there was a lot of variety, and I really enjoy that part of our day. I know the kids do as well. We had lunch in PE, and then after PE was music with Mrs. Turner. Then it was math, and after math we came together for ELA. In ELA, the students shared, we didn't actually share the race format for the First in Flight. We didn't have time for that, but what I did do is advise them how to do their Florida Ready independent work so that they could share that with me. They could either click on the button and do their questions in a Canvas style prompt, or they could just take a picture of their book and send it to me. And then at the very end of the day, we had our spirit celebration, which was amazing. It's the best that it's been yet. We had creations in Minecraft. We had original songs, or kind of original songs, but a twist on songs to the tune of other songs. And it was just so impressive. The amount of swag and the amount of effort that they're putting into the spirit celebration just makes my heart soar. So today was a wonderful day in Digital Academy. In our planner, let me go ahead and make this a little larger. I have that we just completed Florida Ready 46 through 51, and they either did that on Canvas or they did that through sending a picture of their book. This weekend, their homework is to sharpen the saw, to make sure that they refresh themselves, making sure they're getting exercise, that they're getting time to do the things that they enjoy, whether that is socializing or playing. It's important for your soul. It's important to have that rest so that you're refreshed and ready for the next week. As far as the Grandmother Stole the Sun, Grandmother Spider Stole the Sun, we've been doing that for 2 days, just reading it one time. The students are going to read it a second time for fluency next week on Monday and Tuesday, and then I'm going to select the best readers on Wednesday to perform it for the whole class. Again, just relax on spelling. You have the weekend if you need to practice any of those spelling words, but you're not taking your spelling test until Monday. There was no homework for math, and they were in STEM lab again because it was a Friday. And then, of course, I've extended the homework to be due until Friday of next week for social studies. So thank you again for watching this video if you watched it for the recap. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Go Gators. Have a great day.